Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing like a extreme budget grocery challenge, but not really because I'm not spending any money. I'm trying to make up meals and things that we can make with stuff that it's out of my pantry. So today we're making a take on macaroni and cheese. I tried to call it macaroni and cheese, but my husband said it needs a way cooler name, so we're going with cheesy rigatoni. And it seriously was so delicious. So you're gonna start with 1 box of any type of pasta. I just happened to have rigatoni, and 4 cups of broth. This is homemade chicken broth that I had kept from when I did a whole entire chicken in the crock pot, and it's about 4 cups worth. Then you do 4 tablespoons of butter. I did a teaspoon of that minced garlic, about a half of a teaspoon of salt, and then lots of pepper. I don't know, maybe it was half a teaspoon as well. And then you're just gonna stir it all up to combine. Ended up adding a little bit more water, but at the end I think I could have done without. I just was a little bit on the skeptical side, so I ended up adding probably about another 1.5 cups, and I could have done without it, like I said, so either way. Then you're going to do high pressure for 5 minutes, which is how you cook any type of pasta in the Instant Pot, is high pressure for 5 minutes. Here is my daughter and I waiting for our macaroni and cheese. Her favorite thing right now is high five too slow, so it's pretty cute. You're going to do a quick release, so pull that pressure button. I always put a rag over so it doesn't make a huge mess, and let it quick release. Oh, this smells amazing. So it calls for like 2 cups of cheese. I'm gonna add 2 giant handfuls and see what it tastes like after that. And this recipe calls for like an evaporated milk or heavy whipping cream or something of that sort. But whenever I make that Kraft macaroni and cheese that comes out of the box, the best way to make that the best macaroni and cheese ever is to add sour cream. So instead of adding milk and evaporated milk, I'm just gonna add some sour cream. And if you've never added it to your Kraft macaroni and cheese, try it next time. It's awesome. It was so cheesy, you guys. Oh my gosh, this was like one of the best macaroni and cheese, cheesy rigatoni that I've ever made. So make sure you give it a try. This is Maylee waiting for it to cool off. She helped blow on my food. I was like, seriously? Check how cheesy this is. Pun totally intended. Alright, and then I put the rest of it in this Tupperware, half in the Tupperware for this week's like lunch leftovers. And then after I filled the Tupperware full, I had this tin for a freezer meal. So I just filled it on up with the whatever was left and topped it with tin foil and plastic wrap and stuck it in the freezer for another night. Doesn't that look delicious? Topped it with some parsley just for some garnish. It was so amazing, you guys. I hope that you give it a try. Thanks for watching. Press that subscribe button and come back again.